The natural world has long been associated with typically maternal qualities, those of nurturing, loving and caring. Mother Nature gives birth to all life on Earth and provides for all of our needs. All that we need, both physically and emotionally, is provided by the Earth, our source. And not just to merely survive, but to truly thrive. Our health and well-being depend on our connection to nature. It is a basic emotional need. Despite this, most of our daily lives are spent disconnected from it. Nature connection is not just simply our exposure to the natural world, though. It is more the depth of our relationship with it. Life moves effortlessly through the millions of other life forms that inhabit the Earth. The natural world shows us what balance and harmony looks and feels like. Reminding us of life's true essence. Demonstrating the purest state of free-flowing energy. And that is our natural state of being too. One of the greatest threats to our well-being is emotional stress. And chronic stress is a sign that we've fallen way out of balance. When we've neglected our need for stillness, rest, replenishment, and connection. When we live in our heads alone and ignore our hearts. Just as the wind blows and the rivers flow, life isn't meant to be an endless struggle. Life is meant to move through us, as it does the rest of the natural world. Having a nature practice as part of your self-care routine is ideal because nature is the perfect reminder, the perfect barometer for how far we might have strayed from our natural state of being. And just one deeply connected moment in nature can help us to reconnect, rebalance, and reset. And of course, self-care itself is an act of balance, balancing what you give out to the world by allowing yourself to receive. So, this nourishing nature practice is a preventative approach to issues that can arise from chronic stress and emotional imbalance. You may like to begin with just 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week and build it up to whatever is both achievable and most beneficial for you. And to begin with, you may like to choose a familiar and local location to help you relax into the practice. And then, once you've settled into it, you can take this practice anywhere in nature, easily integrating it into your life. So, as you begin walking in your chosen location, take a few deep, conscious breaths, activating your sense of smell, noticing any scents in the air. Now, bringing awareness to the different natural sounds around you. Becoming aware of all that you can visibly see using your full field of vision. Now, beginning to feel the invisible forces inside and all around you. Acknowledging the quantum level and energy present within all things. Perhaps feeling the sun's rays and the movement and temperature of the air on your skin. Now, noticing how you're holding your body as you move. Slow your pace and notice any areas where you might be gripping, holding, or tensing. Slow and deepen your breath as you breathe into those areas and soften and relax your body more and more with each step. Checking in with your heart and noticing any feelings or sensations emerging in the moment. Then, bring awareness to the point where the external and internal merge. The point where the atmosphere becomes your breath, and your breath becomes the atmosphere. Syncing up with the energetic rhythm of the landscape. Then, find a movement and pace that feels balanced, soft and fluid, until you reach a place where you can find some stillness. And as you stand or sit in stillness, continue to observe your surroundings with all your senses, enjoying all that is happening in the natural world around you. And if it's available to you, consider taking your shoes off to further ground and balance your energy. Then, go ahead and lift the corners of your mouth to deepen your connection to your heart. In this state of balance, you may find that inspiration, understandings and realizations come to you. So you may like to express these in a way that feels right for you. And finally, a beautiful way to end each practice is in gratitude for your experience, sending loving appreciation to nature, to the earth, and most importantly, to yourself. Here's a reminder of the steps to follow. Visit a natural location. Walk slowly with sensory awareness of the environment. Become aware of how you are holding your body. Relax and soften any areas of tension. Sync your breath with your surroundings. Find a place to stand or sit in stillness and observe nature. Take off your shoes to ground and balance your energy. Smile to deepen your connection to your heart. Then fill your heart with gratitude for your experience. Remember, this is a practice, so it does take time to find your flow. But over time, it can become effortless. And you may begin to notice how this way of being naturally spills over into the rest of your life. As you more easily notice what actions take you out of alignment. Noticing if and when you're working for or against yourself. Beginning to make more conscious choices that truly serve your well-being. There is something incredibly empowering about showing up for yourself. Choosing to take responsibility for your own well-being and happiness is showing true, unconditional love and compassion for yourself. Nature's therapeutic value is often overlooked. Yet, when we're truly connected to the natural world, our deep need for peace and stillness becomes clear, and we're reminded of how deeply we need balance within ourselves, how deeply we need to be connected to our beautiful world, and what it means to truly live harmoniously as a part of it. And we're reminded that the greatest reward in life is truly the journey itself.